Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REDMAGIC 9S Pro and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, swipe up the screen, open Google Chrome application and tap on three dots on the right corner. In it, we choose Settings, Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember. In this case, to our Facebook booking account. We can click there and we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and there we can copy our email, copy our password by this first icon, or after we press this size icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit and write something new in username, password selection or note, and when you change something, remember to press save. You can also share this password to someone by using this icon, or delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.